Group cruise discounts offer a fantastic way to save money on your next cruise vacation. These discounts are available to groups of people traveling together, typically 10 or more. Cruise lines offer group discounts to fill empty cabins and generate additional revenue. There are many different ways to qualify for a group cruise discount. One common way is to book your cruise through a travel agent. Travel agents have access to exclusive group rates that are not available to the general public. Negotiating the best deal on a group cruise requires some research and planning. Start by getting quotes from several different cruise lines. Be sure to compare the prices, amenities, and itineraries of each cruise line. Once you have a few quotes, you can start negotiating with the cruise lines. Be prepared to discuss the size of your group, the dates of your cruise, and the type of cabin you want. Here are some additional tips for getting the best deal on a group cruise. Book your cruise early. The earlier you book, the greater your chances of getting a good deal. Be flexible with your travel dates. Cruise lines often offer discounts for cruises during the off-season or on less popular itineraries. Consider booking a smaller cabin. Smaller cabins are typically less expensive than larger cabins. Ask about group discounts for amenities such as shore excursions and dining packages. By following these tips, you can save money on your next group cruise and have a fantastic vacation. When choosing a group cruise, there are several factors to consider. First, you need to decide what type of cruise you want. There are many different types of cruises available, from family-friendly cruises to luxury cruises. Once you know what type of cruise you want, you can start narrowing down your choices. Next, you need to consider the size of your group. Some cruises are better suited for small groups, while others can accommodate large groups. Once you know the size of your group, you can start looking for cruises that can accommodate your needs. Finally, you need to consider your budget. Cruises can vary in price, so it is important to set a budget before you start shopping. Once you have a budget, you can start looking for cruises that fit your price range. Here are some additional tips for finding the right group cruise. Ask your friends and family for recommendations. Read reviews of different cruises online. Contact a travel agent. Travel agents can help you find the best cruise for your needs and budget. Once you have found a few cruises that you are interested in, you can start booking your trip. To book a group cruise, you will need to contact the cruise line directly. The cruise line will be able to help you book your cabins and arrange for any other activities or amenities that you need. By following these tips, you can find the perfect group cruise for your needs and budget. Planning and preparing for a group cruise is essential to ensure that you have a great time. Here are a few tips. Book your activities and excursions in advance. This will help you avoid disappointment and ensure that you get the activities you want. Pack for all types of weather. The weather can be unpredictable, so it is important to pack for all types of conditions. Bring plenty of sunscreen and insect repellent. You will be spending a lot of time outdoors, so it is important to protect yourself from the sun and insects. Get to know your group members. This will help you make the most of your time together. There are many different activities and amenities available on group cruises. Here are a few of the most popular. Swimming pools and hot tubs. Water slides and other water activities. Dining venues. Bars and lounges. Theaters. Casinos. Spas. Fitness centers. Shopping malls. There are many ways to make the most of your time on a group cruise. Here are a few tips. Get involved in the activities and events. Meet new people. Try new things. Relax and enjoy yourself. By following these tips, you can make the most of your group cruise and have a fantastic vacation. Group cruise discounts offer a fantastic way to save money on your next cruise vacation. By following the tips in this video, you can find the right group cruise for your needs and budget, and make the most of your time on board. Here are a few key takeaways. Asterisk group cruise discounts are available to groups of people traveling together, typically 10 or more. Asterisk there are many different ways to qualify for a group cruise discount, such as booking through a travel agent or negotiating with the cruise line directly. Asterisk when choosing a group cruise, there are several factors to consider, such as the type of cruise, the size of your group, and your budget. Asterisk there are many different activities and amenities available on group cruises, such as swimming pools, water slides, dining venues, and casinos. Asterisk to make the most of your time on a group cruise, get involved in the activities and events, meet new people, and try new things. If you are interested in booking a group cruise, I encourage you to contact a travel agent or cruise line directly. They can help you find the best cruise for your needs and budget. Thank you for watching.